Okay, friends, today's reading assignment, after you have completed your toilet paper, which is also due today, you will be reading an article and doing a flip grid all about whether or not Bigfoot is real. So, directions are as followed. You're going to click on and read the Is Bigfoot Real article. You're going to enter a code that you will have to type in to get access to the article, and I'll show us in a second. That code is CL4THD. I think it has to be all in capital letters, so that's what I would type in. Think about it as County Line 4th DeGracy. Okay? Once you've read the article, you're going to head over to Flipgrid and answer today's question. Remember, our Flipgrid code is CL4D, not capital letters. Okay, so to get to our article, you're going to click on this link and click on our link there. It's going to ask you to log in. Okay, trying to log in, click log in. You're a student, so click I am a student. And then here's our classroom password. That's the CL4THD. Click sign in. And then here you go. It will take you to this article. Okay, you're going to scroll down and you're going to read, Is Bigfoot Real? Again, this is a shorter article. It's just this one page. And it has pictures and things like that. You can also go to the left over here, and if you click text to speech, it will read it to you. Okay? So, you're going to read the article, maybe you're going to read it and then listen to it. Now, I would keep this open, keep your tab open, but go back to today's lesson. So, once you've read and listened to Is Bigfoot Real, the article, you're going to then head over to Flipgrid. Remember, you can click on this link. It'll take you right to our Flipgrid homepage. Okay. Scroll down. You're going to enter our Flipgrid code of CL4D. Enter. And hey, what do you know? We have another grid or another topic. Okay. You'll see that lovely picture of Bigfoot. And then you have a question to answer for today. It says, after you read the Scholastic article on Bigfoot, tell me, do you think Bigfoot is real? You have to use evidence from the article to support your answer. This will be due today, Thursday, May 28th. So for those of you who already did your toilet paper, sweet, you only have one assignment. For those of you who didn't do your toilet paper, you have your toilet paper plus this that's due today. So, that is your assignment for today. Please make sure you read the directions both on the Flipgrid, on this slide, and listen to my video. And have fun. I can't wait to see whether you think Bigfoot is real or not and why. See you later.